Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Better Call Paul. My name is Vivek Pod and we are in the 1000 Python project playlist. Here in this project, we will learn how to build a chatbot for PDF, for communication with the PDF. Have you ever wished you could ask a question to the PDF instead of reading the entire PDF hundreds of pages? No? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to build that. We are creating a PDF chatbot using Python, OpenAI's powerful GPT models, using OpenAI's API and a Streamlit for a beautiful web interface. This project is perfect for beginners and you can build it in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you will have your own AI assistant that can read the entire PDF and answer your questions instantly. So let's begin. So we are in the project directory of PDF chatbot, and here I have created files like PDF chatbot.py. This is the entire PDF code, chatbot code. This is a requirement.txt file. We are using Streamlit library, OpenAI PyPDF, and Python.env file. I will explain you the importance of each library here. And this is a story I have created using AI tools. This is a story you can't find it out in internet. It is a factual story. Disclaimer: it is not connected with any real world case. Three-page PDF is there, short PDF. We will listen the story also. Uh, here I will explain you the entire code line by line. So one important thing, if you want to see the story PDF, you can't see it here. See, I have uploaded all my PDF chatbot.py, requirement.txt, and story.pdf, these project files into the GitHub repository, my own GitHub repository. And the link of that GitHub repository, I have mentioned it in the video description. You can find out below. And if you want to see the story PDF, any kind of PDF file in VS Code terminal, then you have to add some extension like PDF extension. I have installed this VS Code PDF extension. 9.6 million downloads are there. You can install it, and then only you can able to see this PDF. Okay. Now we will see the importance of each library and also see the code line by line. So this first line import Streamlit as ST means we are importing Streamlit library, and this is a open source Python framework that lets you create a beautiful web application with just Python code, no necessary of HTML, CSS, or JavaScript language coding. And its key features are it instantly builds web apps with simple Python scripts, built-in widgets you get here, the buttons, sliders, file uploaders, automatic hot reload during development, a chat interface like components, like you can see in ChatGPT, Grok, there is a chatbot. That kind of functionality, that kind of widgets are also present in Streamlit library. Easily deployable options are there. And why we use it, it gives us a clean professional UI for our chatbot without writing any front-end coding. That's why we use this Streamlit library. After that, OpenAI library. This OpenAI library is a Python library. It is an official SDK to interact with the OpenAI's powerful AI models like GPT-4, GPT-5, GPT-4o Mini, and many more. And its key features are it is easy for API authentication, chat completions for conversational AI. It supports various models, various powerful models of OpenAI, streamlining responses. Quickly, we will get the responses. It is better for error handling, built-in error handling capability. And why we use it? It connects our app to GPT models that understand our questions and generate intelligent answers based on the PDF content. Now here is the another library that PyPDF. Why we import PyPDF is that it is a pure Python library for reading and manipulating the PDF files. The key features of PyPDF library is we can extract text from PDF pages, we can merge and split the PDFs, we can rotate and crop the pages, we can extract the metadata from that PDF, and no external dependencies are required for PyPDF library. And why we use it? It extract all the textual content from uploaded PDF, so we can send it to the AI model to have a chatbot kind of functionality. And here is another library .env. Why we use a .env? Because .env is a Python .env reads key value pairs from a .env file. This is our .env file where my OpenAI API key is present. Okay, and it sends them as an environment variable. The key feature of .env file, it is secure credential management. It keeps secrets out of the code. It is easy configuration switching and works across all the platforms. And why we use it? It safely loads our OpenAI API key from a .env file instead of hard coding it in our script. Like here, you don't need to put your API key here. Means instead of OpenAI API key, you are hard coding actual API key. It is not necessary, because if you put it and someone else is looking at your API key, he just copy paste your API key and use it. Then it will consume your billing, and you will be charged by his work. So unnecessary charging will be there. So to protect these, to have that kind of privacy, we store our API key in .env file, and we use .env file so that we can upload that textual data present in this .env file here. Whatever present ahead of OpenAI API key, whatever present ahead of OpenAI API key, that is extracted to this os.get.env file, and we use it for our chatbot functionality. Now here is the code line by line explanation. Here we also import OS library. This is a Python built-in module for interacting with operating systems. We use it to read the environment variable. See here we have used OS. Here OS also present. OS means operating system. From this operating system, from my folder directory, use this env file and extract the OpenAI API key present in that file. Then there is a load.configure file. This load.env function calls to read the environment file in our project folder, and loads all the key value pair as environment variables. After this line runs, our OpenAI API key becomes accessible. After that, ht.title PDF chatbot. This means this creates a main title of our web application. Emojis we can add to have a nice visual touch. Streamlit automatically reads this as a large heading at the top of the page. After that, client OpenAI API key is equals to os.getenv OpenAI API key. Here we create an OpenAI client instance. The os.getenv function retrieves the API keys from the environment variable. This client will handle all our communication with OpenAI servers. After that, upload file is equals to ht.fileuploader, upload a PDF, type PDF. This creates a file upload widget that only accepts PDF file. This we have strictly provided. Only accept the PDF file, not the textual file. If you don't want it, you can remove this also. That specific version. If you don't want, you can remove it also. When a user uploads a file, it gets stored in the uploaded file variable. If no file is uploaded, this variable is none. After that, text extraction is here. ht.cache data, and define this function is here. Extract text from the file. Here we have provided a file as an attribute, as a parameter, right? So whenever we upload any kind of file, then this function will run. This @st.cache data, this decorator is a Streamlit optimization feature. It catches the function's output. So if the same file, PDF file is processed again, it returns the cache results instead of reprocessing it. This is very powerful. This makes our app faster. So if any kind of repetitive action is there, then it can give you the cache data. After that, read is equals to PyPDF.pdf reader file, whatever uploaded file is present. So this is another attribute, another method of this PyPDF library. This creates a PDF reader object that can read and parse the uploaded PDF file. It loads the PDF structure into the memory. Then text is equals to for page in reader.pages text is plus equals to page.extract text method or none return text. This line means we initializes our empty string, then loop through each page in the PDF. The extract text method pulls out the readable text from each page. We use doctrine for safety measures. If the page has no text, means if the page has no text, then as a safety measure, if the page has no text like an image, it returns none, and we replace that with an empty string. Then here you see if a message is not in st.session state. st.session state messages will have empty list. Streamlit runs the entire script, entire script on every iteration. Session state lets us persist the data between reruns. Here we create a message list to secure our chat history. We only initializes it if it doesn't exist, right? Then if upload file, then if we upload any file, then this PDF text variable is equals to extract text. We use this function extract text, and here instead of file, we upload we this function will trace that uploaded file, and we will get a success message that state of success PDF loaded, and length of the words. We will get how many words present in that PDF uploaded PDF file. If a file is uploaded, we extract its text and show a green success message displaying how many characters were extracted. This gives us a feedback that their PDF was processed successfully. And after that, here is a chat history. Here, this loops through all the previous messages in our chat history. History.chat message creates a styled chat bubble, and it automatically show a user icon for user roles and an AI icon for the assistant role. Means whatever the messages, whatever the questions we ask to the chat is stored into the ht.chat session messages. Okay. Then after we are now in question input. If a question goes to st.chat input, ask the question about the PDF. Means this creates. I will just scroll up. Here, this creates a chat input box at the bottom of the screen. This equal to sign is the walrus operator. This is a walrus operator you can see here, and it assigns the input to the question, and checks if it's not empty in one line. This code inside only runs when user submit a question. Now comes this part, ht.chat message assistant, then spinner. We have integrated spinner, means it is a loading kind of functionality. We see it is loading AI. AI normally gives response after some delay time. So that delay time, we will show it as thinking. Response is equals to client.chat completion. Here is a GPT model and so on. So before that, we will see this message here. The first we display the user's question in the chat bubble, then we save it to our session state, so it persists and appears in the chat history on the next rerun. Right, and here is the Gen AI response come ht.chat message assistant with thinking. We create an assistant here that chat bubble and show the thinking the spinner while we wait for the AI response. This gives user visual feedback that the system is working. And here is the response part. So this is that This is the API call to the OpenAI. We use GPT-4o mini model, which is fast and cost effective. The message array has two parts. System message sets the context by providing PDF text limited to 15,000 words characters and to stay within the token limits. User message contains the actual question. Here you see, I will show you. Here we have provided 15,000 as a character limit to avoid the token error. Like we have extended the token limit, like that things. We can avoid that and answer the questions based on the PDF content. This is the prompt we send to this AI model. And the user message contains the actual question. Then comes the answer part. Here you can see the answer part. We extract the AI's response from the API result. The response object contains multiple possible completions in the choices. We take the first one, we display it in the chat bubble and save it to session state for history. After that, there is a fallback message. Please upload a PDF to start chatting. Means this is the if else loop, right? It starts from here. If file is uploaded, then it will run. Up. If file is not uploaded, else then there is a message. Streamlit dot information. Please upload the PDF to start chatting. If no file is uploaded, we show a blue information message prompting the user to upload PDF. This guides new users on what to do the first, right? Here now, before uploading the PDF, I want to show you what is the content in that PDF because we are asking questions to that PDF. Then first of all, we should know what is present in that PDF. Then only we can ask questions to the PDF. PDF is very small. This is a small short story. I will explain you will also like it. So here is the PDF, and I will just show you here. So this is a fictional story. So Vivek was born on 12th July 1996 in a small village called uh, Dharampur in Uttarakhand, Pauri Garhwal district. His father Raghu Mehta worked as a primary school teacher, earning around 22,000 rupees per month as a salary, and his mother Savitri Mehta stitched clothes for villagers to support the family. Their home was a modest two-room house with a tin roof that rattled during heavy rains. Yet the home was full of warmth, books, discipline, and dreams. Vivek studied at the government intern college, Dharampur, where he was known not for brilliance but for sincerity. He was sincere. He was not too much brilliant, intelligent, but he was sincere, disciplined. His roll number was always in the middle of the attendance register, but his teachers trusted him with responsibilities, class monitor, debate speaker, and uh, volunteer at the school events. His childhood dream was not to become an IAS officer. In fact, he didn't even know what UPSC exam was until he turned 17. At the age of 17, he knows a lot about UPSCs. The turning point came during the class 12 farewell ceremony. The chief guest, IS officer Neha Joshi, the alumni of the same school, came. She spoke about administration, rural development, and the power of government officer to uplift thousands of people. The power of administrative power means IS officer, IPS power. Vivek felt something ignited within him. If she can come from the same halls and reach such heights, he thought, why can't I? So after completing class 12 with 87.4 percentage, Vivek moved to Dehradun to pursue BA in political science in Dun Government College. He lived in a rented room costing 3,000 rupees per month, starting the kitchen with two other students. Sorry, sharing the kitchen with two other students. He would often skip outings and save money. to buy second-hand books from Paltan Bazaar. His daily routine was simple. He attended classes in the morning, self-study in the afternoon, and part-time tutoring in the evening to earn 4 to 5,000 rupees per month. During his second year of the college, he fully decided he would attempt the UPSC Civil Services exam, but deciding was easy. Preparing was not. But deciding was easy. Preparing was not. So during his second year of college, he fully decided he would attempt the UPSC Civil Services exam, but deciding was easy, preparing was not. After graduation in 2017, Vivek moved to Mukherjinagar, Delhi, and it's the heart of UPSC preparation, as we know. He took a small 80 square foot room on a rent for 6,500 rupees per month and joined a coaching center for general studies using his father's saving and a small education loan. He had chosen sociology as an optional subject. Now, here is a journey. First year was a failure and awakening in 2018. Vivek's first attempt was a disaster. He couldn't clear the prelims. He remembered sitting alone in his room, starting at the rejection result. All the motivational videos, coaching advices, and peer talks failed to comfort him. When he called his father, Vivek expected a scolding, but instead his father said calmly, "Beta, a river keeps flowing even when rocks block it. You only failed the exam, not the goal." That night, Vivek rewrote his entire strategy. He, in the second year, improvement, but not in 2019. Vivek studied for 10 to 12 hours daily. He stopped joining random test series and focused on understanding the syllabus deeply. He made his own notes, solved previous year questions, and improved his essay writing. This time, he cleared prelims but missed mains cut off by 11 marks. It hurt even more because he had come so close, but his attempt proved one thing he was capable. In the third attempt, year of discipline 2020, he realized something important. UPSC is not about how much you know, but how consistently you perform. He made a fixed daily schedule. He wake up at 5:30 a.m. Newspaper reading is there for 1 hour, 3 hours polity, history, economy, and 3 hours optional as a sociology. Answer writing is 1 hour. Then revision test solving for 2 hours. Evening walk for 30 minutes. He sleep at 11 p.m. In the night. He stopped attending social gatherings, reduce phone usage to 30 minutes a day, and resisted the distractions around him. His closest friend during his period was his notebook. Now, the fourth year. This is the year of success at last, 2021. Life changed on 24th September 2021, the day UPSC declared results. Vivek's hands trembled as the PDF downloaded. He scrawled with fear and hope. There it was, all India rank 87, Vivek Raghav Mehta. For a moment, he froze. He blinked twice. He rubbed his hand and checked again. It was real. He had done it. His dream had become reality. He ran to the terrace. And of his rented building and cried out of sadness but overwhelming relief. His room, which had witnessed tears, failures, loneliness, and hunger, now witnessed victory. He called home. His mother didn't understand the ranking concept, but when Vivek said, "Ma, mein IAS ban gaya," she broke down. His father, usually a calm man, he shouted joyfully, "Mera beta collector ban gaya." Training and posting. Uh, Vivek joined Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, Labasana, in December 2021. It was his first time seeing so many toppers in one place, yet he blended in effortlessly. He loved horse riding, trekking, and camaraderie with his benchmates, right, batchmates. During his district training, he was posted to Haridwar district where he worked closely with the district magistrate. He learned ground realities of governance, public grievance, land issues, disaster management, and developmental schemes. On 1st July 2023, Vivek received his first posting as Assistant Collector IS Officer training in Almora, Uttarakhand. His employee ID, badge number, and office cabin were symbol of a dream fulfillment. His personal side. Vivek was not a civil servant. He was a simple, humble person with personal quirks. He loved homemade paratha, aloo paratha. He always kept a blue pen in his pocket. He maintained a habit of writing motivational line daily in a diary. He donated 10% of his monthly salary to improve libraries in rural schools. He started a free weekend mentorship group for UPSC aspirant from Uttarakhand. He never forgot the struggles of Mukherjee Nagar. He often told students, failure is not enemy, inconsistency is. This is very important. Failure is not your enemy. Inconsistency is your enemy. A full circle. In 2024, Vivek was invited as a chief guest at the same government intern college in Dharampur, uh, where he once sat as a shy schoolboy, standing on the stage in front of students who looked at him with admiration. He felt life came full circle. Uh, he felt life had a come full circle. He said, "I am not extraordinary. I only refuse to give up. If you have a dream, protect it, nurture it, fight for it, and one day it will come looking for you." The applause echoed across the school grounds. Everyone clapped for him. So this is the story. Now we will make some questions like, for example, what is the percentage of Vivek? Like this is 87.4 percentage, right? Now I will just open my command prompt. This is the command prompt. I will write CLS, then I will write Streamlit run PDF chatbot.py. This is the name of the file, and I will hit enter. Now here is the PDF chatbot. Now I will browse the file, and here is the story PDF file which is present here. Story PDF file. Okay. Now it is a PDF loaded. 6144 characters are there. From where this line comes from where? This line comes from here. I will show you. This line came from PDF loaded. These are the text. These are the 6144 characters are there. This is the length of that PDF characters. Is this character word PDF chatbot. So this PDF chatbot is use here Streamlit title PDF chatbot. Okay, and upload a PDF. Here is the upload functionality. It is uploaded PDF. Now it is uploaded successfully. Now I will ask a question. What is the marks of Vivek in class 12? Question mark. 87 should be answered. See, we are chatting with the PDF, right? It is amazing. I will hit enter. This is the question. This is the logo. This is the AI assistant logo. This is user logo. Vivek scored 87.4% marks in class 12 exam. So that's amazing. We are able to chat with the PDF. Now I will just ask one question. Let's ask the birth date of Vivek, right? So I will show you. This is the PDF. This is the birthday, right? Vivek was born on 12 July 1996. We will ask what is the birth date of Vivek? Question mark. Hit enter. We will see. Thinking this loading functionality we also provided. Vivek was born on 12 July 1996. What is the village of Vivek? Question mark. Hit enter. Okay. Now we are chatting with the PDF. Vivek was born in a small village called Dharampur in Uttarakhand, Puri, Garhwal district. Dharampur, Puri, Garhwal district, Uttarakhand. So this is the village of Vivek. We have chat so many questions, and here we see how we can communicate with the PDF. And there you have it, your very own PDF chatbot up and running. Let's quickly recap what we have built today. We use Streamlit to create a beautiful web interface. We use PyPDF to extract text from the PDF documents, and OpenAI API key. We use OpenAI API key GPT API to generate intelligent answers. The best part, the entire application is less than 50 lines of code. 50 lines of code, less than 50 lines of code. You can extend this project by adding features like multiple PDF support, chat history export, different AI models, or even adding a vector database for better accuracy with larger documents. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI and Python projects. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next